Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome to my video. My name is Nabila Aulia Z and I'm a student from 1C class, Medical Record and Health Information major. And my number student is P1337437121115 and 2. So, the material in this presentation is about 5 senses of human. Did you know what are the 5 senses? The 5 senses are the 5 main tools that humans use to perceive the world. The senses are eye. Eye are the sense of sight. Nose. Nose is the sense of smell. Tongue. Tongue is the sense of taste. Ear. Ear is the sense of hearing. Skin. Skin is the sense of touch. Our brain receives signals from each of these organs and interprets them to give us a sense of what's happening around us. And now I will explain these organs one by one. First is the eye. The human eye is the biological structure which enables the sense of sight. Binocular vision allows to see in 3 dimensions, calculates difference between the left and the right eye, perceive distance. The eye has 3 main layers. These layers lie flat against each other and from the eyeball. First is the outer layer of the eyeball is a tough white opaque membrane called the sclera. This is the sclera. The slight bulge in the sclera at the front of the eye is a clear thin dome-shaped tissue called the cornea. And then the middle layer is the choroid. The front of the choroid is the colored part of the eye called the iris. In the center of the iris is a circular hole or opening called the pupil. The inner layer is the retina, which line the back to third of the eyeball. The retina consists of 2 layers. First is the sensory retina, which contains nerve cells that process visual information and send it to the brain. And the retinal pigment epithelium, or RPE, which lies between the sensory retina and the wall of the eye. Next is nose. Your nose is part of your respiratory system. The nose is a vital organ of the human body which is responsible for the sense of smell. It is also the first organ that helps in the process of respiration. It is the gateway through which air enters the human body. It is also known as olfactory organ. It completes the process of purification of air by filming and warming. The nose has 2 cavities that are parted by a wall of cartilage called the spectrum. Nostrils are the external opening of the nose. The vestibule in the section that is within and above each nostril. Chemoreceptors contains olfactory receptors which are found in the nose, which help in detecting of smell. And then tongue. A tongue is a muscular organ of the human body. It is essential for chewing and swallowing food as a part of the digestive system as well as for speech. The tongue is the main organ of taste. The small bones on the upper layer of the tongue are called papillae. Papillae are of different types like the circumflate papillae and fungiform papillae which contain taste buds. The taste buds are a collection of sensory cells that connect to the brain. And there are 4 common tastes. It's sweet, sour, bitter, and salty. And here are the location of a bitter taste. And here are the location of salty taste, and here are the location of sour taste, and here are the location of sweet taste. And then ear. Ear, also known as the auditory sense organs. Ears play an important role in hearing or perceiving sounds. After detecting sound waves or vibrations in the air, our auditory system helps us in hearing sounds. The ear is also important for our sense of balance or equilibrium, as it is known that the vestibular system, also known as the organ of balance, is found inside the inner ear. The ear is mainly divided into three parts: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. The outer ear. The outer ear consists of a pinna and ear canal. It is the visible part of the ear. The middle ear. The middle ear consists of three tiny bones together called ossicles. These three bones are malleus, incus, and stapes. And then inner ear. The inner ear is also known as the labyrinth of the ear. It is located at the end of the ear, and this part of the ear comprises two functional parts: the cochlea and vestibular system. The mechanoreceptors respond to sense hearing and balance in the inner ear. And next we have skin. Skin is one of the crucial sense organs of the human body. It is a flexible outer covering of the body that comprises hair follicles, nerves, nails, and gland. The three major functions of skin are protection, sensation, and regulation. It consists of sensory nerve structure or receptor that detect surface temperature, pain, physical touch, and chemical stimuli. The skin has three layers. First is epidermis. The epidermis is the outermost layer of the skin, is called the epidermis. And then dermis. This is the second layer, which is below the epidermis. And then hypodermis is the layer below the dermis. Okay, I think it's the end of the presentation, and this is my reference that I take. And so thank you so much for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.